number of food allergies and sensitivities, and I love the Smooth Euphoric blend because it is plant-based, 100% natural, it's not filled with icky artificial sweeteners, and it also is chock full of superfoods. The best part of it though is that it tastes great. So today I'm going to cook up a little recipe to show you how easy it is to integrate Smooth into your healthy lifestyle.
With the holidays coming up, I really wanted to make something that was easy, plant-based, delicious, and nutritious. So I decided to make some chocolate bark, which is super simple. You're gonna mix on low heat 3 simple ingredients: coconut oil, some maple syrup, and of course 5 tablespoons of the euphoric blend. You're gonna melt that down into a nice, delicious chocolatey consistency, add it to a shallow pan, and then sprinkle some natural goodies on top, such as pumpkin seeds, dried cranberries, crushed pecans, and crushed almonds. Then into the freezer for 30 minutes to set. After that is the best part, to taste it delicious.